Did you know that 60% of users will leave a site due to poor data presentation? In Magento 2, how you handle data can make or break user engagement. Let's explore game-changing solution, view models. By the end of this video, you will see how they can transform your development process. Welcome. Today, we are diving into Magento 2 view models. These powerful tools separate logic from presentation, making your code cleaner and more efficient. We will cover what they are, why you should use them, and walk through a practical example. Many developers struggle with culture templates and complex logic in Magento 2. This often leads to hard to maintain code. Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of PHP logic while trying to update a simple template? You are not alone. Let's discuss how view models can solve this problem by providing a structured way to handle data. View models. These PHP classes handle presentation logic, keeping your block classes slim, and they offer better code organization, reusability across templates, simplified testing. Common use cases include preparing data for templates, handling calculations, and managing complex logic. Let's see how they work with examples of how they can simplify your code base and improve maintainability. Jump into a live coding session. We will create a view model in our ITC4U bootcamp module. First thing, we will review our code base here. This is a review from our previous tutorials. We will create a controller for our module, implements HTTP GET action interface, and our public function execute return page factory object, and our routes.xml, it's a front name bootcamp and ID bootcamp. This ID, we are using it for our layout XML file naming convention. So when we create layout XML file, we are naming it bootcamp underscore index .xml. We will review here our layout XML file. We are naming our block name, and this is the template we are using, welcome message.html. Don't forget the name of our module, ITC4U underscore bootcamp. The last thing here, it's our arguments to use the view model class. We will then go to our view model class here to see what we did in our file code. First thing, the class implements argument interface, and we have a function here, get welcome message, return this string, and also get current date time function, it return string also for our current date and time. The last thing, function name get demo products, it is returning an array for a demo products, these two products. We are reviewing our template. There is a documentation for our template. First line of our template is the identifying where is the core Magento template. It is here, If we are using IDE like PHP Storm, we can locate the template by clicking command on the template path here. And also for our view model, we are identifying the path for IDE. So if we click on it, we can navigate to this class. Let's go to our code here. We are getting the welcome message from the view model and get the current time and date from our view model using get current date and time function. And we here making a for each loop to get our product name and price. Let's see our result here. As you can see, this is our page and this is our front name. Welcome to view model tutorial, the current date and time as we specified. And this is the demo products from view model, as you can see here. To recap, view models in Magento 2 help us separate logic from presentation, keep block classes clean, enhance code reusability. By using view models, we create more maintainable and scalable code. They are must-have tool in your Magento 2 development kit. Remember to always focus on clean modular design. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more Magento tips. Have questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Check out my other videos for more on Magento 2 development techniques. Your feedback helps us improve and create content that matters to you.